Hey, Jessica, ready ka na ba? Malaking scene na today.
Yes, direct.
Tandaan mo raw yung emotions, lalo na si Dante. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, direct.
Okay, settle down. Okay, bago tayo mag-start sa shoot, kailangan mo natin ayusin ang mga scenes. Gemma, pwede mo pag-ilista ang attendance?
Okay, direct.
Sarah, ano ang status ng budget?
Sakto lang tayo sa budget. Kailangan na natin i-finalize ang location choice para hindi tayo lumampas.
Alright, Jean, any script adjustment?
I think scene 7 could use more tension. Kunting tweak sa dialogue para mat-intense yung exchange.
I like it. Kyle, how do you want to shoot that?
Handheld shots para mas close ang tension, visualis mas low.
I can make the set feel tighter para mas claustrophobic.
Perfect! Simplihan natin yung car chase para adjust natin ang budget sa set design.
Kaya yan. I'll handle the relocation.
Alright, let's make sure we're ready. Filming starts Monday. Thank you, everyone. Peace.
How dare you!
And cut!